Hey, what are you doing watching this video? What are you doing here? Okay, I'm kidding. I got a bit of an idea. Tell me if I'm right or wrong. You run a service business and you're kind of a bit stuck. You're not growing, or maybe growing slower than you want, or you're kind of low profit, doom cycle, kind of stuck in that thing. You can't get enough time out of the business to really work on the strategy. And I'm not sure you'd know exactly what to do if you did. Well, don't worry, you're not alone. That's why everyone else comes to us as well. Take Catherine, for example. So Catherine came to us, let's say about a year ago. She runs a super cool premium design service in London and the home counties. Now, Catherine's business is up 75% year on year. I'm going to tell you something really cool about this business in a minute. It's up 75% year on year. She's going to hit well over £1 million turnover this year. And the coolest thing, she did it all with 2 people. That's her plus 1 other person. It's pretty amazing. But you are seeing invoices come in for things you don't really understand, money going out with no real impact. You're doing fluffy marketing. You get a warm feeling, but no one really notices. Now, Kalen is a client of ours out in the US, in Kansas. Kalen came to us. He was breaking even. I'll just put it like that. Kind of some months good, some months not so good. Overall, breaking even. He's now making $80,000 a month profit. And again, it's because he's got a growth infrastructure in place. So he doesn't have to worry about the marketing because it's set up, it's built and deployed and automated all for him. And our team are looking after it. So I've talked a lot about growth infrastructure. You're probably wondering what it is. Is that some weird, fancy marketing term? Yes, it is that, but it's a term for something really obvious. And the point is, the growth infrastructure is something that is complete. It's a complete infrastructure. It's got everything you need to grow your business. It's built and deployed in your business for you. It is seamless, and it means you get more attention at the front, and that attention you get is seamlessly transitioned through to a point where they book an appointment or they buy something, whatever your business needs. And so if that is something that's interesting to you, then all you have to do now is press the button, wherever it is, that says start for free. And what does that mean? It means you're going to, guess what? It means you're going to start for free. It's really important. It's a really important part of our process. It's how we get to meet the people we know are going to be a perfect fit for us. And it's how they know they're going to work well with us. And it's all free. And you get really good value out of it. There's no sales in that. It's all analysis, reports, finding out what's going on. Really interesting. Finding out why people are dropping off in your sales process. So find the start for free button, press that and start for free. And look, if you want a little bit more detail on this, on the growth infrastructure, I'm going to tell you who's involved and what the tools are. So let's start with the tools. So we have a couple of really key pieces of software we use. We're really good at them. They're really complicated, but they're really powerful, and they automate everything you need. You know, when someone joins a newsletter, what happens? When someone expresses an interest, are they responded to appropriately? Are we using AI throughout? Are we chatting away to people the whole time? Are we picking up the phone? Is the AI picking up the phone, having a really nice chat with people? You won't believe the power of voice AI, by the way. It's crazy. So get into that. Those are some of the tools that we're going to be applying in your business, building and deploying in your business. What about the people then? That's the other half of it, isn't it? We need great people. Tell me this. When people work with you, I bet they love your service. I just bet they do. But I also bet that isn't really coming out in your marketing. That communication of that incredible value and offer isn't coming out. So we need a marketing strategist, we need a content manager and a copywriter and a few roles around that to draw that out, to formulate it and to express it. We want to express it via all sorts of means online. So we want someone to write some great scripts. We want a really cool website design. We might need a developer to help us on the website as well. You see all these roles coming out. These are all the people you are going to need to build your perfect growth infrastructure. And you're going to want someone technical to run all the automations, check they're all working, and all those good things. So you can see there's quite a few roles in this. We'd say probably 8 or 9 key roles. And then don't forget that if we start to look at advertising, which we should do at the start to really kickstart your growth, running ads is really important. So we need someone who's a media buyer. We need someone who really knows how to design ads, make them pop. We need someone to pick the audience and optimize all that. So more roles again. These are kind of the people you want to be looking at to bring in if you want to do it yourself. And if you don't, and if you think, well, actually, I don't want to run all those people, I can't afford all those people, then the answer is to press the button that says start for free, because we can do all that at a fraction of cost, probably of 1 person, let alone all 8 or 9. So it's time to press the button. Start for free is the way to do it. And I look forward to seeing you on the other side.